Have you ever wished one kitchen appliance could replace several others? Maybe your countertop is crowded with a panini press, waffle maker, griddle, and electric grill, yet you still find yourself short on space. If that's the case, the Yedi Total Package 6-in-1 digital indoor grill might be exactly what you're looking for. The first thing that stands out is its modern design. The stainless steel exterior and digital control panel give it a premium appearance that looks more expensive than its price suggests. It feels solid without being excessively heavy, and the removable cooking plates lock securely into place with very little effort. The included grill, griddle, and waffle plates are well made and coated with a non-stick, PFOA-free surface that helps food release easily. Small details like the removable drip tray and the included silicone egg rings and spatula tongs combination make the package feel complete right out of the box. One of the biggest advantages of this appliance is its flexibility. Instead of buying separate appliances for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can switch between cooking fluffy waffles, crispy bacon, grilled vegetables, burgers, steaks, sandwiches, pancakes, or paninis simply by changing the plates. Even better, the reversible cooking plates allow you to use both smooth and ridged surfaces depending on what you're preparing, giving you much more versatility than a standard electric grill. Performance is impressive for everyday cooking. The grill heats up quickly, helping reduce waiting time when you're preparing meals during busy mornings or weeknight dinners. One standout feature is the ability to control the top and bottom heating plates independently. That means you can fine-tune the cooking temperature depending on the food, making it easier to cook delicate items without overcooking them while still achieving a nice sear on thicker cuts of meat. The temperature range from 175 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit also provides plenty of flexibility for everything from warming tortillas to grilling steaks. Using the Yeti grill feels surprisingly simple despite all its features. The digital controls are easy to understand, and switching between cooking modes doesn't require much of a learning curve. The floating hinge adjusts naturally to thicker foods like burgers or stacked sandwiches, while the removable drip tray collects excess grease, making cleanup much less messy. Once you're finished cooking, the dishwasher-safe cooking plates simplify cleanup even further, saving valuable time after meals. Of course, no multifunction appliance is perfect. Because this unit replaces several separate appliances, it does take up more storage space than a single-purpose waffle maker or panini press. If you rarely use multiple cooking functions, you may not take full advantage of everything it offers. It also requires swapping cooking plates when changing between grill, griddle, and waffle functions, although the process is quick and straightforward. Compared with similarly priced indoor grills from Ninja, Cuisinart, Hamilton Beach, and George Foreman, the Yeti stands out thanks to its true 6-in-1 functionality, independently adjustable top and bottom heating elements, complete accessory package, and included waffle plates. Many competing models require purchasing additional plates separately or don't offer the same level of temperature control. Overall, the Yeti Total Package 6-in-1 digital indoor grill is an excellent choice for anyone who values versatility, convenience, and countertop efficiency. It's especially well suited for families, apartment kitchens, first-time homeowners, and anyone who enjoys cooking a variety of meals without buying multiple appliances. While dedicated specialty appliances may excel in one specific task, the Yeti delivers impressive all-around performance that offers outstanding value for everyday cooking. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest price and available discounts before making your decision.